Most people think a junk removal business is just about having a truck and picking up trash, but that is exactly why so many beginners never grow past small one-off jobs. Here's the truth no one tells you. Junk removal is not a hauling business first. It is a lead generation and local marketing business first. In this video, you will learn exactly how I would start a junk removal business today step by step, even if I had a small budget, no experience, and no equipment. You will see how to get your first paying customers fast, how to price correctly, and how to turn simple pickups into a consistent income system. And stick around, because in a minute I'll show you the one mistake that makes most beginners stay broke even when they are busy. Let's start with the basics. Junk removal is simple. People need old furniture, appliances, yard waste, and construction debris removed. It happens every day in every city. The demand is already there. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners focus on getting a truck first instead of getting customers first. That is backwards. No customers means no income, no matter what equipment you own. First step is getting leads. The fastest methods are Facebook Marketplace, local community groups, Google Business Profile, and simple door-to-door flyers. For example, Jake started in a small U.S. suburb and got his first 5 jobs just by posting same-day junk pickup available with before and after cleanup photos. But here's the problem. Most beginners wait until everything feels perfect before they start marketing. That delay kills momentum and real money opportunities. Second step is pricing. Keep it simple. Charge based on load size like half truck, full truck, or single item pickup. John, a beginner in Florida, doubled his bookings just by offering clear flat rate pricing instead of confusing estimates. Now here's where most people fail. They accept low-paying jobs just to stay busy. That feels good at first, but it prevents real profit and makes scaling impossible. In a minute, I'll show you how one junk removal job can turn into repeat customers, property manager contracts, and steady weekly income without constant advertising. Third step is presentation. Junk removal is highly visual. Before and after photos are your strongest marketing tool. Every job should be documented. Clean results build trust instantly and help you get referrals. Now, let's talk equipment. You do not need a brand new truck at the beginning. Many beginners start with rented trucks, trailers, or even pickup trucks. The goal is to start making money first, then upgrade. But here's where it gets even more powerful. The real growth in junk removal comes from repeat clients like landlords, real estate agents, and contractors. These people constantly need cleanup services. Now, imagine this. You remove junk from one property. You do a fast, clean job. The client refers you to another property manager. Suddenly, one job becomes a steady stream of work. So, here is the takeaway. Starting a junk removal business is not about trucks or tools. It is about getting customers fast, pricing clearly, and building repeat commercial relationships. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more practical step-by-step business guides that help you build real income service businesses.